So can you provide a proper roadmap for beginners like me to like achieve your level?
So see, Dhruv, first of all, you need to decide in which direction you want to go. Like this data science we are talking about. So first of all, definitely try to learn this Python, basics of Python, then loops in Python, and different styles how we write the code in Python. Try to start writing codes, get efficiency in Python, then start learning libraries, this NumPy, pandas, file handling. How then learn about how to observe the data cleaning, like how I showed you. After that, it is data cleaning, data wrangling, visualize the data and try to analyze the data. I guess this is the basic good enough for the data science thing, right? How this is the quick roadmap. See, again, there will be so many things, create projects, deploy them. This roadmap can go in detail for half an hour, 1 hour class, right? But yeah, it is a quick thing. Like start learning Python and then start doing this coding things. Because in this course, I will be taking it from the scratch and I will be giving you some projects. We'll be developing projects, we'll be deploying the projects also. And it is very good practice because we will be interacting live to live. So in recording, like you have recordings available, but in recordings, you don't have a specific vision. In recordings, you don't know how to solve the problem. But here, I am here to solve your problem live to live. Like you got a chance to meet with me. You got a chance to talk with me. This you will get in live classes. That's the benefit of practice, right?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, God.